He runs 14, 14, and 99 and change.
Old First Ford versus the new Chevy HHR.
Mopar side of the racetrack at Littleton, Colorado. A 64 Ford, primer gray and gritty.
64.
We're going to get that painted. Dial for Nicole is going to be a 1350 taken on the automatic win. Control left before the third end was all.
Not bad.
Joe Winter up next on the Mopar side. Little purple S10 Chevy pickup. Dial for Joe on this round is going to be a 1394 taking on Eric Greer. Eric out of Aurora, Colorado. The 03 Chevy Trailblazer found in 1856. Right now, trying to catch Eric down there at the far end.
You bitch, move your head.
Joe at the little F10, 1403 and 92 and change. First Ewing, good, bring your big rig to the lane, please. First Ewing, bring your big rig to the lane 7 and 8, please.
Smoky Burnout.
John Ryan headed down course now. Looks like the wind goes to John as something broke there on Matt Birdie's car or truck. Good looking little narrowed up truck there, and they got to push that thing back. Tough break.
So he's gonna have to warm up his tires again.
Well, tough break for that little pickup down there, but I'm sure they'll get it together and they'll be back up here at Vandermeer Speedway for another day. Next pair coming at you right now. Michael Dyer is going to be over there on the Mopar side at Denver, Colorado. 90 Chevy SS 454 pickup dialed in at a 1610. Take it on Mark Wrigley. Mark is out of Edgewater, Colorado, a 1953 Ford pickup. Neat deal about that pickup, all Mopar on board. Got a brand new motor in there, a little 2.4, 727 automatic. His dial for this round is a 1432. Well, Mark is trying to catch Michael down there at the far end of the racetrack. Don't know if he can reel him in. It's a double breakout. Michael breaks out the lead for the win.
There's an old International like mine.
Over Mark Wrigley.
Wish I would have never sold it. It's alright, I'll find me another one of these days and customize it.
Next up, Jared Schumacher over there on the Mopar side out of Perkins, Colorado. Taking on Jeff Payne out of Golden, Colorado. 69 Chevy El Camino. Jeff dialed in with a 1464, trying to reel in Jake down there at the far end. And does it with a 1491 at 80 miles per hour. Pro Truck Eliminator, Pro Truck Eliminator, this is your call to the lanes, please. Pro Truck Eliminator, this is your call to the lanes, lanes 4 and 5, please. Out of Lakewood. This International double breakout. Dirt breaks out the least for the win at a 1694 at 82 miles per hour.